Hello and welcome to our video on cryptocurrency mining. Today, we'll be discussing the basics of mining and the hardware and software options available. Let's get started. So, what is cryptocurrency mining? Cryptocurrency mining is the process of validating transactions within a blockchain network. This process involves solving complex mathematical problems that require advanced computing power. Now, let's talk about the hardware you'll need for cryptocurrency mining. The most important piece of hardware is the mining rig. A mining rig is a specialized computer that's built specifically for mining cryptocurrencies. It should have a powerful graphics processing unit, GPU, a strong central processing unit, CPU, and high-speed memory. One popular GPU for mining is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070. It's affordable and delivers solid performance for mining a variety of cryptocurrencies. Another great option is the AMD Radeon RX 580, which is slightly more expensive but delivers a higher hash rate. You'll also need a power supply unit, PSU, that can handle the wattage needed to power your mining rig. Finally, you'll need to keep your mining rig cool with fans or other cooling systems. Now, let's move on to the software options for cryptocurrency mining. One popular option is CG Miner, which is a command line application that's compatible with most mining rigs. Another choice is BFG Miner, which is similar to CG Miner but has a more user-friendly interface. If you're new to mining, you may want to consider using NiceHash. NiceHash is a mining software that automatically chooses the most profitable cryptocurrency to mine based on your hardware and returns payment in Bitcoin. It's a great option for beginners. In addition to software and hardware, you'll need to consider the cost of electricity and internet connectivity. Mining can be expensive and time-consuming, but with the right hardware and software, it can be profitable. That's the basic overview of cryptocurrency mining. If you're interested in getting started, do your due diligence and research the best hardware and software options for your needs. Thank you for watching and happy mining.